Law is one of the cornerstones of our democracy. It's law that allows us to live in freedom, real freedom.
Through the invention of better things, we are trying very hard to give you the kind of service you want and need. There is no end to progress now or in Century 21.
Now you may say, this doesn't concern me, or my children, or my community. But this is less and less true.
Imagine, if you can, an electronic brain. I say brain because the new electronic central office will almost think for itself.
The police cannot avoid this duty.
The mission has always been justice with Magnet. The ease of use, surfacing the evidence quickly. Magnet listens. They listen to their customers. They understand what these police departments need, and they listen to the features that need to be put into the products.
At the end of the day, digital evidence plays such a role in so many cases.
Digital evidence is critical in order to build a strong case. It's something that is much more trustworthy to a jury when they can hear it's coming from a digital device, that's objective evidence.
I think our approach at Magnet Forensics is we truly care.
AI is going to play a role in digital forensics, digital evidence, digital investigations moving forward. It's about how we can harness it responsibly and with a purpose, and I think that's something that we do so well here at Magnet.
It's really given me the advantage of getting results to my team quicker.
This is easily the most rewarding work I ever did on the police department. They are the truest victims.
To unlock the truth and protect the innocent. Without having that mission, I don't know that I could do this job.
It keeps me coming back because I know that I'm making a difference and I'm helping that aspect of putting evil away.
When I was 13, I became the first known case of a child to be kidnapped by an online predator. I have justice now, and I swear to God it's because of you. Thank you so much. You are supporting, fighting, and defending justice.